Dr. Hamza Yusuf, I want to ask you a specific question. In the Muslim world today, there are countries which are considered the most corrupt. We are the followers of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. I just want to, in that period 622 to 632, did the Prophet raise the level of ethics and morality of the society first, before they became this great nation? And is it possible that if you do not have a certain level of morality in a society, that whether that society can dispense justice? Because justice and rule of law, from my whole experience in international politics, that is the base of a civilized society. So, Dr. Hamza.
In terms of the akhlaq, or the ethics of a society, it doesn't come out of a vacuum. The Arabs, prior to Islam, they had very high ideals, and they had very high ethical character in certain areas. For instance, truthfulness was very important to them. Generosity was very important to them. Honesty was something that the Arabs prided themselves in. They couldn't stand liars. And when the Prophet ﷺ said, "Innama bu'ittu li utammima makarim al-akhlaq," I was sent only to perfect noble character, there was an understanding that there was character there, but their character was distorted, so that they were boastful, they were prideful, they had character flaws. And these are the areas that the Prophet ﷺ focused on, just as a physician would focus on the diseases of the patient that comes to him. The Prophet ﷺ, he really was tabib al-qulub. He was a physician.